Hi everyone, and welcome back to Get Your Tutors. It's me, Sophia. Today, we're tackling one of the most challenging core components of the IB Diploma, the Theory of Knowledge, or TOK. It can feel abstract and confusing, but don't worry. To make it simple, I've brought our senior IB specialist, Professor Mihao, to be your guide. Professor?
Thank you, Sophia. The TOK is indeed a challenge, but its purpose is to make you a stronger critical thinker. In this video, I will provide the step-by-step guide you need to master both the TOK exhibition and the TOK essay. Let's begin. Hello and welcome. If you're an IB student, you've almost certainly heard of TOK, or Theory of Knowledge. It's one of the three core components of the IB Diploma, but it's often the most confusing. Unlike other subjects that test what you know, TOK is all about how you know it. It can feel abstract and challenging, but don't worry. In this short guide, we'll demystify TOK and give you a clear, step-by-step roadmap to master both the exhibition and the essay. So, what is TOK really about? It all comes down to one central question. How do we know what we claim to know? It's a course designed to make you a more critical thinker. The most important tool you'll use is the knowledge question, or KQ. A KQ isn't a content question, like when did the Cold War end? Instead, it's a general, open-ended question about knowledge itself, like to what extent does perspective influence how history is written? You'll use 12 key concepts, like evidence, truth, and perspective, to explore these questions. To structure your analysis, TOK gives you a toolkit. First are the 5 areas of knowledge, or AOKs: history, the arts, mathematics, and the human and natural sciences. You'll compare how knowledge is produced in these different fields. How do you compare them? By using the knowledge framework. This 4-part tool asks you to analyze each AOK by its scope, the perspectives it includes, the methods it uses to create knowledge, and the ethics involved. This framework is your guide for both assessments. Your first assessment, worth 33%, is the TOK exhibition. This is where you connect abstract TOK concepts to the real world. The process is simple. First, you choose one of 35 official IA prompts provided by the IB. Second, you select 3 specific real-world objects that illustrate your chosen prompt. These must be specific, not just a smartphone, but my personal smartphone. Finally, you write a 950-word commentary that clearly explains the link between each object and your prompt. Your second assessment, and the most heavily weighted, is the TOK essay. This is a 1,600-word formal essay. You'll choose one of 6 prescribed titles released by the IB. These are just complex knowledge questions. Your task is to answer this question by developing an argument using 2 areas of knowledge for comparison. The key to a high-scoring essay is structure. For each AOK, you must present a claim, support it, then analyze a counterclaim. This shows you are a balanced, critical thinker. Because TOK is so abstract, it's the component many students find most difficult. It's tough to move from just describing an idea to truly analyzing it. This is where expert mentorship can make all the difference. An experienced TOK tutor helps demystify the concepts, guides you in selecting strong objects and titles, and provides ethical feedback to help you master the crucial claim and counterclaim structure. Our goal at Get Your Tutors is to help you build the skills to excel independently. Mastering TOK is the key to unlocking the IB bonus points and building the critical thinking skills you'll need for university and beyond. For a much more detailed breakdown, read our full step-by-step guide, linked below. Or, to speak with one of our IB specialists, visit GetYourTutors.com and schedule your free consultation today. Thank you for watching.